Welcome back. ONGREDIENTS, a Korean skincare brand, focuses on creating vegan and cruelty-free skincare products. I recently tried their Skin Barrier Calming Lotion, and here's my honest opinion. The lotion provides a soothing effect on tired skin. It strengthens the skin barrier and creates a moisture barrier for glowing skin. Offers hydration without a sticky feeling, leaving skin soft, smooth, and glowy. The silk cream texture is suitable for any season, acting as a fluid formula between an essence and a cream. Its retails price for $30, offering good value for its quality and benefits. Final thought, let's talk about its main ingredients. It has Centella asiatica extract, known for its soothing and skin-strengthening properties. It contains 9-peptide complex, moisturizes and minimizes moisture loss. 4. Natural ingredients like mulikia, borage, yerba mate, and purple carrot provide additional soothing and protective benefits. Final thought. As someone with dry skin, this lotion was a fantastic discovery. It's a gentle, safe, and lightweight calming lotion that works well for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I love the fragrance-free, silky, milky texture that glides on smoothly. I apply it every morning as part of my skincare routine on my face and neck. It absorbs quickly, leaving my skin soft, smooth, glowy, and hydrated without any sticky residue. The ONGREDIENTS Skin Barrier. Calming lotion is soothing, hydrating, and nourishing without clogging pores. Its lightweight, fragrance-free, non-sticky formula absorbs easily and provides a glowing finish. This lotion has become a staple in my skincare routine, and I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a gentle yet effective skincare solution.